Hello everyone, today we're going to have a Criteo Ads tutorial, so please watch till then to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Criteo, you can use our link in the description down below where you can get discount or rewards upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, Criteo, I'm on their website already, and Criteo is an ad tech platform that helps businesses run personalized ads across the website, their social media, and other application. And it's well known for retargeting ads, meaning it shows ads to the people who have already visited your website, or if you have a website or an application, and encouraging them to come back and convert. So yeah, they are giving ads to the people that is possibly can be your customers. So now I'm just going to discuss the contents, each contents inside the Criteria website. And if you want to use uh their application itself, you need to download Criterio one tag pixels, and you can do that by clicking this contact sales to request an application. And yes, so now let's just go inside the website and explain each contents that can help you how to use Criterio. So as you can see right here on the homepage, they have different tabs. They have platform, solution, capabilities, resources, about, and if you want to create an account, just click my account right here. And if you click my account right here, you will be redirected to this page, and you need to choose your login. So it depends on you what type of your growth, what type of content or application or app or account you want to create. And for example, if you are uh, planning to grow your commerce, yeah, you can do this. And if you want your commerce to to be monetized, you can choose this one, and it depends on you. And after you create your account, you can now just log in that account to your Criterio one tag pixel application. So now, what is inside the platform? So right here on the platform, you can see the commerce media platform of Criterio, which is their core product. So what it does is it connects advertisers and retailers and publishers through AI driven ads. As you can see, what it does is that it advertise and monetize. It helps you advertise and monetize more effectively. So commerce media use large scale purchase and intent data, and commerce focus AI to improve advertising returns on the open internet for marketers and media owners. So they have dynamic targeting, AI based products recommendation, cross channel advertising, privacy focused data usage, and yeah, their main purpose. And it shows how Criterio serves as a central hub for advertisers to drive sales, acquire customers, and measure performance. And if you go back, as you can see, there's much content. So you have commerce growth, commerce max, commerce grid, and it depends on what type of account you're creating. And this is their technology. They have addressability, commerce AI, predicting bidding, product recommendation, and shopper grab, and it all helps your business to you know grow when it comes to the commerce itself. And for the solution, so inside the solution, so this explains different advertising strategies Criterio offers depending on business goals. So they have acquisitions, they have retargeting, app promotion, retail media, video and display ads, yeah, just like that. And the purpose is to help a business choose the right approach depending on whether they want more sales, more awareness, or engagement. So yeah, that is inside the solution. And yeah, that's the type of solutions Criteria offers for commerce business, for the people who have business. And for the capabilities, these sections focus on Criteria strengths and technology. And they this inside under capabilities, it showcase Criteria AI engine, which is powers personalization and targeting. They have audience targeting, dynamic creative optimization or DCO, omni-channel reach. It runs ad across web, application, and social networks, and measurement and analytics. Yeah, all of that. And also, the purpose is to convince advertisers that Criterio has the technical backbone and innovation needed to get results. So that is the inside the capabilities. Yeah, that's it. Video advertising, yeah, contextual advertising, retail media, yeah, etc., etc. For the resources, right here under resources, this section provides educational and support materials. For example, they have blog, and it contains articles about advertising trends, AI, and marketing tips. Yeah, you can see all of that right here. And also for the case studies, so they also have case studies, reports, and white papers, webinars and guides. Yeah, you can see all of that right here. Help centers, and yeah, etc. And the purpose is to educate visitors, build trust, and positions Criterio as a thought leader. So yeah, so you can see all of their success stories, glossary addressability events that they offer, and the resource center, they offers educational resources in order for the users to know how to use Criterio. And for about, yeah, you can just you see their company, their who they are, their mission and vision, leadership, the careers, job opening across global offices, and yeah, it builds credibility and transparency about the company identities and scale. And yes, that's it. So for the contact sales, as I said, if you click on it, if you want to request a demo, sales inquiry form, if you want to contact info for Criteria offices worldwide, if you want to have a technical help for existing customers, they will give support links. And yeah, this is where the Criteria converts interested visitors into paying customers by connecting them directly with the sales team. So if you want to contact the Criteria sales team, you can go right here. You just need to input your uh, personal informations and location, and you just need to what best describes your company. It's either if you're advertiser or brand, retailer or a marketplace, publisher or a media owner, agency or holdco. Say yes, you can just uh input your information right here, and you can just contact the sales team of Criterio. And yes, that's it. That's how you can use Criterio. So if you want to begin, you just need to download Criterio pixel on the website, and you can download their application itself. And right there, if you have created an account, you can just log in your account, and there will be a dashboard there. And after installing the Criteria one tag pixel, you can just set up your campaign. You can go to the Criteria dashboard, campaigns, and create new campaigns. And yeah, that's where you can add your retargeting acquisition, your app promotions, and yeah, that's it. So that's that is also where you can design your ads too on the Criteria one tag pixel. So make sure to download that. And yes, that's it. That's how you can use Criteria ads, or that's it for the Criteria ads tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next